Today, we're making Bison breakfast smash burgers. Perfect for breakfast, brunch, or dinner, they're about to be your new favorite way to start the morning. Grab your favorite breakfast ingredients and let's cook. We'll start with great range ground bison. Then add diced onion, brown sugar, and salt and pepper. Once everything is well combined, divide the meat into about half-cup portions. Take each portion and smash it onto a hot skillet with a burger press to get it nice and thin. Now it's time to build our breakfast burgers. On a soft everything bagel, spread jalapeño cream cheese on the bottom half, then layer on the bison smash patty, crispy bacon, a fried egg, and a little mashed avocado to finish it off. Serve it up with your favorite crispy hash browns and start your morning off right. Bison is naturally leaner than beef and packed with protein, iron, and essential nutrients, making it a great option for a hearty breakfast that won't weigh you down. What bison recipe would you like to see us make next? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to visit greatrangebison.com for even more recipes.